I like chicken with a little bit of rice. I like steak with a little bit of spice. Scrambled eggs and toast in the morning, but I don't know what I want tonight, so let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it? Let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it?
Welcome to Let's Google It, everyone, and today I'm treating myself with a nice American Wagyu steak. So today it happened that I have two kinds. I have the strip loin and I have the ribeye steak, and look at the lovely marbling in it. We're gonna season them with sea salt, black pepper, and just to let you know, the fat here is unsaturated fat, which is okay fat to eat. Make sure before you start the grilling, preheat your barbecue to 500 degrees. Place your steak on for 45 seconds to 1 minute. Turn 45 degrees, another 45 seconds to 1 minute. Flip it and do the same, or the internal temperature of the steak reach 125 to 130. And don't be afraid of this flame, is going to give you more smoke flavor to your steak. My God, smells so good. Now stove on a medium. So I'm gonna sear it about 30 seconds each side. On the side a little bit. And for extra touch, nothing better than finishing your Wagyu steak with a little bit of low sodium soy sauce. Quick flip. Same thing with the ribeye. Just about like maybe 1 teaspoon. Flip, turn off, and ready to be served. You're supposed to let the steak rest 4 to 5 minutes, but this is not gonna happen with me. It smells so good. Can't wait. Now, moment of the truth. Oh boy, look at this. Now, can't wait. Boy, oh boy. That melt in your mouth texture is unbelievable. So, American Wagyu beef, all yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.